Today we're going to talk about adding CSS or cascading styles to web pages. Cascading style sheets is a technology that promises to make the web a better place. Instructors can benefit from using style sheets with their educational websites. Notice I'm using a PDF document here, so I'm going to scroll down and go to the next page. This page asks a question: what does CSS do, or what does cascading style sheets do? Cascading style sheets controls the layout, and that's the characters, words, and lines, and how they are spaced relative to one another. It can also control colors, font, face. There's a variety of elements that styles can control. CSS or cascading style sheets are also used to make smaller, faster downloading pages and to provide a means through which a website can be easily maintained. Using simple style sheets for instructional websites provides instructors with more design options. The first way that we're going to talk about adding styles is inline styling. Inline styles apply to individual tags. Now, you can apply or use an inline style on a body tag, and that will change the way your whole page looks, but most often inline styles are used to style a span, open and close tag, or a paragraph, open and close tag, where a small amount of text is styled using that inline style. Inline styles are not an easy way to style a page and then maintain that page or make changes to that page, because instructors would have to go make many changes depending upon how many pages or how many individual styles were applied to those pages. Notice with my inline styles that I have a div tag. That's an HTML element with a style attribute, and then there's a property value or name value pair applied using the style attribute and in quotes. The text that I'm going to style goes in between the open and close div tag. My next way of styling is to use a embedded style sheet, or embedding cascading styles. Styles can be embedded directly into an HTML page using style tags. Where do I put those style tags? I put them in the head part of my HTML document. And notice I have an open and close style tag within which I'm going to put my style rules. Now, my style tags have attributes type, where that value for the attribute is text/CSS in quotes, and a second attribute is media. That I chose this for this example screen because my styles or my pages are going to be viewed on a screen. I'm thinking about instructor websites. When in developing or testing style sheets, it can be easier to use an embedded style sheet, and you can embed a style sheet, get your styles right, and then copy your style sheet to an external file that can be used to control the entire website. Let's go to my last page as external cascading style sheet styles. The external style sheets are individual files containing style rules and are applied to HTML pages using link tags. Notice I have an open and a close link tag. These styles provide basic styling for every page in a particular website. An external style sheet can be linked using a link tag, and notice that my first attribute is relationship or rel, and its value is style sheet. Type, that's text, CSS as before. Then I identify where the style sheet is so the HTML page can find it, and this time I use media all. It doesn't matter to me how you're going to show this, the style is going to work. External style sheets can be used to make a single change to a style rule, which can then cascade through an entire website. Cascading style sheets for instructors are extremely valuable, easy to use, and it's something that every instructor would want to consider when they're thinking about making a modern website or having modern instructional pages for their students.